Welcome to Healthy Cure TV. Before playing the video, make sure you already subscribe and hit the notification bell to get updated for our new uploads. You certainly must have heard that clay masks make your skin prettier, right? But do you know what kind of clay is the most indicated to your skin type? The success of clay-based treatments isn't recent. Clay can moisturize deeply the skin, and also improves its elasticity and firmness, promoting an increase in the number of collagen fibers in the area. Besides that, it also slows aging. It is not for nothing that Egyptians used clay as one of the components of mummification, and Greeks used it to fight rheumatic pains. So, if you want a natural way to make your skin beautiful and young, see the types of clay. This way, you will be able to take care of your skin naturally and from home. White clay. As white clay is quite gentle, it is suitable for all skin types, especially sensitive, dry or mature skin. It also helps restore radiance to dry, fragile hair. Green clay. Green clay is the perfect remedy for hair that is oily, shiny, or dull. People with oily, combination or acne-prone skin will also love it, since it removes dirt from the skin and scalp, in addition to absorbing excess sebum. Red clay. Red clay is suitable for everyone, and those with skin that is sensitive, irritated, tired or prone to cuperos or redness will find it especially appealing. Pink clay. Since pink clay cleanses the skin deeply with no irritation, it's an essential addition to your beauty routine if you have dry, sensitive or reactive skin. It is also recommended for sensitive scalps. Black clay. The black clay mask is one of the preferable choices to beautify the skin surface, such to remove the blackheads, acne, scars, pimples, and blemishes. The black clay powder is generally denser and can be used for a long duration. This type of clay is strongly recommended for its anti-inflammatory, antibiotic, cleansing purpose, and anti-aging properties. It is the rejuvenating clay mask which tends to make the skin surface look more beautiful and younger. Purple clay. Perfect for people with dull or tired skin. With a low concentration of mineral salts, purple clay is the perfect ally for dry and fragile skin. Now that you know the types of clay and which one is the best for your skin, see how to use it. To make a facial mask with clay, first of all, clean the area where you will apply. Then, add 1 tablespoon of your clay to water or thermal water, and apply on the area to be treated. Let it act for 10 minutes. Remove with water and apply your facial moisturizer. Now, if you want to do a body mask, just follow the same steps above, but increase the amount of clay and water according to the size of the area you wish to treat. Easy, right? However, if you want to add clay to your hair care routine, do the following. Add 2 spoons of clay and water or thermal water, enough to cover your hair. Apply on your scalp and let it act for 10 minutes. Remove with water and wash your hair as usual, with shampoo and conditioner. Oh, when used on hair, it is better to apply it only to the roots, especially to get rid of oiliness. If you are going to do a body mask to treat cellulite and localized fat, it is recommended to cover the area treated with a cloth after applying the clay. Remember that, for the treatment to be effective, it is necessary to warm up the place. So it is recommended doing it in a sauna or using specific devices for that. So, did you like learning more about the different kinds of clay? Tell us, which one is your favorite? If you enjoy watching this video, share it with your friends. If you want to hear more helpful videos, click subscribe and hit the bell icon to notify you of our new uploads.